Hi there, welcome to the channel. In today's fast-paced world, isn't it amazing to think that we can now recreate the feeling of a gentle summer breeze right here inside our homes during the sweltering heat? Or imagine being able to transform any room into a cozy den, perfect for reading those long-awaited books. And if your answer is yes, you might be ready to take the first step towards creating your dream smart home. As an expert, I know that the term smart home might sound intimidating, but trust me, it doesn't require a tech degree or rocket science. Now, creating a smart home is like building with Legos. You start with small pieces and gradually build something amazing. So whether you're rethinking about buying your first smart device, or you already have a few and want to expand, this guide is for you. We'll dive into essential factors like Wi-Fi standards, hubs, and additional features like Thread and Matter support. So whether you're using Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Samsung SmartThings, or prefer a non-hub approach like Apple HomeKit or Google Home, we've got you covered. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Let's start with Wi-Fi, because it's like the internet for your smart devices. There are different types of Wi-Fi, and we'll focus on the most popular ones. Wi-Fi 4, also known as 802.11n, has been around for a while and is still widely used. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, it's a good place to start. But keep in mind that it has limitations. Wi-Fi 5, also called 802.11ac, is faster and more reliable than Wi-Fi 4. It's a great choice if you have multiple devices connected at once or want to stream videos without buffering. And the latest one is Wi-Fi 6, which is compatible with the new Wi-Fi 6E band. This standard is perfect for large homes and lots of devices. It's really fast and less prone to interference. Now, having a strong Wi-Fi connection is crucial for a smooth experience with your smart devices. So if you want to ensure that your Wi-Fi can handle a lot of devices and heavy use, consider upgrading to a mesh system. This can help prevent dead spots and slowdowns, especially as you add more smart devices to your home. Next, let's talk about hubs. Think of them as the command centers for your smart devices. They help devices communicate with each other and let you control them through your phone. Some brands like Philips Hue and August for smart locks have their own hubs. Others like Nest and Google and Amazon don't need hubs. Different hubs work with different devices. So if you want to mix and match, make sure they're compatible. Some hubs also make your smart home more secure by encrypting your communications. That way your personal info stays safe from prying eyes. Hubs can be a bit confusing. Some brands have their own like Philips Hue or August. Others don't like Google or Amazon. It's like some stores only accept their own brand of batteries, while others will take any kind. So if you want to use lots of different smart products, check if they work with the same hub. Or if you want to go for a brand that makes its own hub like Philips Hue, stick to that brand for your other smart purchases. Remember, smart devices are meant to simplify your life, and hubs should do the same for you. You're not supposed to add complexity. Some hubs may require monthly fees after the warranty period. Consider if you're okay with that. For example, Samsung SmartThings started out free, but now charges a monthly fee. Now let's explore two new technologies that are changing the smart home landscape: Thread and Matter. Thread is a communication technology that helps your smart devices talk to each other quickly and reliably. It's like a special language that they understand, making it easier for them to work together. On the other hand, Matter is a new smart home standard that aims to make everything work together better, no matter which brand it is from. It's like a universal language for smart devices. Both Thread and Matter are designed to make your smart home more responsive and interoperable. Plus, they're both open standards, which means many different companies can contribute and improve them over time. When you're shopping for new devices, look for the Matter logo or Thread support. And if you want to learn more about them, you can find detailed explanations in our guides linked below. If you're an Apple fan, HomeKit is a smart home platform developed by Apple. It allows you to control your compatible iOS devices and accessories using your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple Watch. One of the standout features of HomeKit is its focus on privacy and security. Apple prioritizes encryption, ensuring that your smart home data stays secure and out of unauthorized hands. Additionally, HomeKit supports a feature called Home Automation, which lets you create scenes that automatically adjust the settings in your home based on your preferences or triggers like time of day. Another advantage of HomeKit is its compatibility with a wide range of devices. Apple's HomeKit ecosystem is quite extensive, offering plenty of options from smart lighting and thermostats to kitchen appliances and more. However, the strict requirements for HomeKit certification can sometimes limit innovation and result in fewer options compared to other platforms. Despite this, the continuous growth of the HomeKit ecosystem ensures that users have access to a steadily expanding selection of smart devices. Amazon's Alexa is a popular smart home platform that revolves around voice control. Using Alexa-enabled devices such as Echo smart speakers and displays, you can control your compatible devices hands-free using voice commands. Alexa has a vast range of compatible devices, making it a highly versatile platform. Moreover, Amazon frequently expands its ecosystem, integrating new categories and functionalities. This extensive compatibility ensures that you have numerous options to choose from when building your smart home. Google Home is another leading smart home platform that offers a seamless experience across various devices. It allows you to control your compatible devices using your voice through Google Assistant-enabled devices like Nest Hubs or by using the Google Home app. Google Home focuses on intuitive controls and personalized features. The platform learns your preferences and provides tailored suggestions and automations. Samsung SmartThings is a comprehensive smart home platform that offers a wide range of connectivity options. It enables you to control your compatible devices using your smartphone, tablet, or even your voice with Bixby. Samsung SmartThings stands out for its extensive device compatibility, including not just Samsung products but also a vast array of third-party devices from various manufacturers. If you prefer a more minimalist approach, going hub-free might appeal to you. In this setup, each smart device connects directly to your Wi-Fi network, eliminating the need for a central hub. This approach offers flexibility as you do and have to worry about compatibility issues or potential single points of failure. Additionally, hub-free devices typically have dedicated apps, giving you granular control over each device. One common hub-free ecosystem is Apple HomeKit, which allows your iPhone to communicate directly with supported smart devices. This approach prioritizes privacy as data remains within Apple's secure ecosystem. Similarly, Amazon and Google have their own hub-free ecosystems. Alexa and Google Home, with their respective smart speakers and displays, act as communication hubs. Creating your dream smart home doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by identifying your needs and goals. Think about what you want to achieve with smart home technology. Do you want to control your lights and appliances remotely? Do you want to automate tasks to make your life easier or enhance your home security? Once you know what you want, it's time to take action. Start with a few smart devices and gradually build from there. You could begin with smart bulbs, switches, or plugs, which are relatively easy to install and offer quick wins in terms of convenience. Don't forget to consider your current technology and choose devices that work well with your existing system. For example, if you already use Apple products, you might want to stick with HomeKit-compatible devices to ensure seamless integration. As you add more devices to your smart home, you'll likely have multiple apps to manage them. This can lead to a fragmented experience and confusion about which app controls which device. To solve this, you can use a smart home hub like Apple TV or Amazon Fire TV Cube. These hubs act as central control points, allowing you to manage all your smart home devices in one place. By consolidating your smart home management, you can enjoy a more streamlined and convenient experience. Your smart home should adapt to your lifestyle. So if you travel often, prioritize devices that allow remote control and monitoring. Look for features like automatic notifications and remote access so you can manage your home from anywhere. Also invest in smart home security measures like smart locks, doorbells, and cameras. These devices not only enhance your peace of mind, but also offer added convenience. Remember that your smart home should evolve with you. As your needs change, you might require additional features or different devices altogether. Stay open to exploring new technologies and be willing to upgrade or replace devices when necessary. Embrace the journey of creating your dream smart home. Start small, plan ahead, and gradually build your smart home in a way that suits your preferences and budget. Enjoy the process of transforming your house into a smarter, more convenient, and personalized living space. I hope this was helpful. Check out our reviews and buying guides for more details on specific products. And don't hesitate to drop your questions in the comments. Happy smart home building.